By taking innovation and technology as the basis of our products and emphasizing research and development of new technologies and new products, we have built a domestic first-class powder test platform which can provide customers with lab-scale tests, pilot-scale tests, large-scale tests, and up to 1-to-1 scale specimen tests, and enable analysis of physical and chemical indicators such as particle size, whiteness, density, morphology, and moisture for materials tested. With nearly 20 years of experience, we have accumulated massive experimental data for our customers to access. Focus and professionalism become a driving force for our continuous transcendence, and with technology and innovation, we are willing to help our customers achieve extraordinary achievements.